Welcome to my channel. Coffee table idea for your living room. A coffee table is an exceptional price for feature that not only add fantastically but also enhance the overall static appear of your living room. It seasons as a focal point and beginning to get various elements of your decor. If you are look to revamp your living room or simple want to upgrade your coffee table, him are some easy and spec idea to consider. Minimal styling for a sleep and modern living room. A minimal coffee table is the way to go. Choose a table with clear line and simple design. Other for a glass or a clear tabletop to create an occlusion of space and the keep the air look large and hip. Keep the decor minimal with a single statement price such as any after cultural and a unique win. Coastal white. If you love the balcony and relax, fox and coastal decor and comport it into your coffee table design. Select the table make of natural material like roaming and wood. Add the true follow with such hello a coral structure or a simple glass bowl with style and consider for a coastal tube completely the look with a flow coastal theme coffee table books and a when change under thing rustic charm a rustic theme coffee table can beginning warm and chapterly to your living room. Other for a wood table with is a destination firstly of the Venlock pole if with a choosy soft and add some greenery with point plants or a simple waste of fresh flower decors the table with a stack and wallet book and a skill comp to completely the rustic ambience.